In this video you can skip to chapters to bits you want to learn. We've included 4 types of learning. The only bit we haven't added is the doing. You've got to do that bit yourself. The end is free to use with no watermark at the moment. It's easy to learn, very intuitive, but hopefully by the end of this video you should have learnt loads of new tips and tricks to help you with your video editing life. Go to new project, select either video or photo. I've selected 3 photos here. And that's it, you've created your first video. You can select the ratio, either TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or YouTube. Original is 16:9 for YouTube. We can highlight part of the video frame on the timeline and move it with our fingers to trim it. We can then select another video frame and then we can select delete. You can always undo stuff that you've made a mistake with. Here we're going to cut the video frame and then freeze it. We are then going to highlight a frame, go onto the trim, and you can trim the amount of time. So you click on where the arrow's pointing, then you go down to photos, then you add the photo that you so wish. Then once you've got the green screen on, you can expand it. Click down there on Chroma key and then move it so that you've got the positioning of the green screen and lower the intensity. Once you've done that, you can play your video and see if it's working correctly. If you scroll too quick, you will think it bleeds over, but it doesn't. As you can see, the green screen's working okay, working in the background. When we play this video, you can see that it's got no music to it. So we want to give this lovely couple some music. So we go up to the top line there, and then we click on there, and you can see music. And I've downloaded a track. This is all off of YouTube. Unfortunately, I can't see a find there, but we're going to choose this one. So I'm going to turn down the volume, add a fade in, fade out, music beats, So what you will notice is we've got this on the end, input title. So watch what happens with the music track when I delete this. This is unlike some other pieces video editing software. It's automatically trimmed it. So what you must do is get rid of that on the end of every video that you produce and upload to YouTube or present to your friends, family. It's not everyone. So not everyone wants to publish stuff to YouTube. You can edit the video here as well. So I'm going to reduce the volume on this. There's a reason for that. If I go onto there, I can input effects. So you've got all these different video effects. So you can import from music library, extract from a video, import from a file. So if I go to cartoon effects, you've got you can also do this as well. You've got the record. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. So there you can see that you can edit the audio track, how long it's played for. So if I go onto that audio track, I can edit it. You can also, it's a bit fiddly sometimes, but you can pull down areas on different timelines to different areas of the video. So audio has a great part. That's why today I've not put my face on this particular video, so that you can see what can be done with audio. So if I highlight if I move it over to there, I've got that track highlighted. Did you see that? It won't split it. It will split it now that I've got that track highlighted. So when you do that, you can also extract the audio. So that's another useful feature that you can use, because you might want to adjust the volume on a particular part of an audio track. You might want to take a bit out of the audio track where you've said something or somebody else has said something. There's all sorts of possibilities. This part of the video, we're going to reverse the video. So if you watch the clip here, you've got it going forward. We've got a duplicate copy going forward, but it says reverse on there. So we've got the clip highlighted. And then down on the bottom menu bar, you've got reverse. So when we play the video clip, it's got forward. and we've got reverse. This is good for filming people in crowds. So if you put a cut in the video of the people walking in the crowd, and then all of a sudden it goes into reverse, or it starts off in reverse and it goes forward. Or you could have the clip of going in reverse in the middle. So I'm going to show you something now by getting my fingers and squeezing the video track in, and then clicking on the BG on the background on the bottom. I can select the colours there, change the colour. I can put a border in. In this video we're going to make a cover photo for your video. So you can select part of the photo by clicking on cover photo, or you can select from the library. So if you select from the library, you're going to see in a minute it's got to be a certain size. So if I select this arrow now, you can see it's got to be within those grids. In this video we're going to talk about filters. So if you click on the filters icon on the bottom menu bar, and then you've got all these different filters you can select. And I'm just scrolling through them so you can see all different ones, all the black and white, different colours, and retro, Polaroid. So you can increase the intensity there, and you can select whatever you want. They've got pro filters on there. I've not got the pro version of VM, so you can always select it back to original if you want. So you can see, like, the cross down on the bottom, you've got a double tick and one tick. So the double tick is for this to select all. This part of the video is pretty basic. If you go to top left hand corner and click on the icon at the top you can get the help files. I'm not showing my face in this video because it's all pretty basic. In this part of the video, you go to stickers. So if you click just above the timeline, you can see stickers on there, and you've got all these different stickers, like this arrow in the circle. So you can see the arrow there. I'm going to put in a keyframe so that the arrow moves across the screen. And have it whizzing round as well, have the arrow spinning. You can set up motions with it as well. Pull it over to the left hand side, then I click on keyframe. And the arrow shoots through the air. Or you could have it pointing to an object like you've seen in the other videos. So if you watch my other video, parts of the video, you will see some familiar stickers there that I've used before. You can make the arrows swing round and move them round. You can do all sorts. You can move them on the timeline there, as you've just seen, by pulling the sticker down. Go down to where the lady is going to point on speed. You can adjust the speed as you want. You can speed it up, you can slow it down. You get a preview of it there. This part of the video, we're going to go to export the video. So I went to top right hand corner, clicked on the blue icon, and then clicked on export. So down in the bottom right hand corner, you've got a little tick, and you click on there and it will export the video clip for yourself. I just exit out of this part. If you found value in this video, please subscribe.